Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick. Happy birthday to you. Hello and welcome. This is John Lee. Today we are going to learn how to play Happy Birthday on ukulele in the key of C. We are going to learn three simple chords, C, F, and G, and three simple strumming patterns over these chords. Now, before we proceed, let's make sure that our ukulele is in standard tuning, G, C, E, and A, or good Charlie eats apples. Now, a couple of things to note before we start learning the chords. The strings are numbered. At the bottom, we have string number 1. Going up, we have string number 2, string number 3, and string number 4, closest to our chest. This is fret number 1, fret number 2, fret number 3, and so on. Now, for the first chord C, we have our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the first string. The rest of the strings are played open. That is the C chord. Then we have the F chord, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. This is the F chord. Now we come to the G chord. For the G chord, we have our index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. This is the G chord. Okay, now the song is in 3/4 time, meaning that the song goes 3 beats after 3 beats. 3 beats is equivalent to 1 bar in 3/4 time. We have, in the beginning, we have C for 1 bar, G 1 bar, another bar of G, back to C, 1 bar, another bar of C, F 1 bar, then C 2 strokes, G 1 stroke, and back to C 1 bar. So if I play it slowly, the chord progression will sound like that. We start from C. That was a very basic strumming pattern, down, down, down. Now, we're going to learn 2 more strumming patterns. The other pattern we're going to learn is down, down, up, down. If I do that to the C chord, it will sound this way. And if I were to play the song, it will go like that. 1, 2, 3. The last strumming pattern that we're going to learn is down, down, up, down, up. If I do that to the C chord, it will sound like that. And if I were to play through the song, it will go this way. Well, that will be the end of our lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed it. For more free resources on ukulele or even on guitar, please visit www.johnleemusic.blogspot.com. Have a nice day. Goodbye.